Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern training and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. In this video, we will explore the latest and most innovative modern TV cabinet design ideas that seamlessly blend style and functionality. Whether you are looking to optimize space in a small living room or elevate the aesthetic of your entertainment area, we have got you covered. Discover sleek and space-saving TV cabinet designs that incorporate hidden storage, compartments, floating shelves, and creative solutions for organizing cables and accessories. From minimalistic to inspired units to bold segment-making designs, we will showcase a range of options to suit your tastes and needs. Join us as we dive into the world of contemporary TV cabinet designs, offering you inspiration and practical solutions for your home. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Certainly, modern TV cabinet designs often incorporate clever storage solutions to help you keep your living space organized and clutter-free. Here are some detailed storage solutions commonly found in modern TV cabinets. Number 1. Many TV cabinets have doors and drawers that provide concealed storage. These compartments can be used to hide away items like DVDs, gaming console, remote controls, and other media accessories. Soft close mechanisms are often included for added convenience. Number 2. Open shelving is a popular feature in modern TV cabinets. These shelves are not only great for displaying decorative items but also for storing media devices, books, or even baskets to keep smaller items organized. You can use stylish storage bins or decorative boxes to maintain a neat appearance. Number 3. Floating shelves are a sleek and space-saving storage solution. They can be mounted above or beside the TV cabinet to hold decorative pieces, books, or small items. This design choice adds a touch of modern elegance to your living space. Number 4. Some TV cabinets come with built-in media consoles that are designed to house all your entertainment equipment. These consoles often feature specially designed compartments for gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, sound systems, and cable management systems to keep wires and cable tidy. Number 5. Pull-out trays shelves are ideal for placing additional components like a turntable or gaming controller. These trays can be concealed with not in use, maintaining a clean and cluttered look. Number 6. Modern TV cabinets pay special attention to cable management. They often have built-in cable routing system or holes in the back to thread cables through. This keeps cables hidden and prevents them from tanglings. Number 7. Some TV cabinets feature adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the storage space to accommodate items of various sizes. This adaptability ensures that you can easily configure the cabinet to meet your changing needs. Number 8. In some high-end TV cabinets, you may find hidden compartments or panels that reveal additional storage. These can be used for storing valuables or items you want to keep out of sight. Number 9. Modern TV cabinets often combine materials like wood, glass, and metal creatively. For example, glass-fronted cabinets can add a touch of elegance and provide a glimpse of the items inside while keeping them protected. Number 10 and the last one is to enhance the aesthetic of your TV cabinet. and highlight your item. Built-in LED lighting is a popular choice. It can be placed on shelves or behind cabinet doors to create a really appealing ambience. These storage solutions not only make your TV cabinet more functional but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of your living space. When choosing a modern TV cabinet, consider your storage needs, style preferences, and available space to find the perfect design that suits your home. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.